Hey guys, today, let's learn how to add the shop button in Instagram. Okay, so since I do want to create an account, or rather I do want to add a shop button, the first thing that I should do is to actually head onto my account settings, which should be over here on my profile, and then click over here into 3 lines. And I want to convert my account into a business or professional account. So in order to do so, all I need to do is add another word to my settings over here, heading over to Account. Scroll all the way to the bottom, and then I want you to click over here to switch to Professional Account. And once you do that, click on Continue, 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 Continue again. And I want you to choose that you are an e-commerce business or something that buys and sells things online. So basically, it could be anything over here. You might be an entrepreneur, you might be a product or service, you might be a grocery store or shopping in retail. And since you do want a shop button or a buy button it is a shop button on your profile. So maybe shopping in retail would be most appropriate for this one. So just click on Done. So basically, you could add your details over here, your emails, your business address, your phone numbers, and as well as your Instagram audio calling. But as well as if you're satisfied with that, you could actually choose not to show your info or just use this. I don't want to use my info right now, so we'll just go with that. You could also choose to connect with Facebook, and you could also choose not to do that. Let's choose not to. And over here, you could actually now complete your profile and basically add some details over here on your profile. And you could also learn from other professionals, basically get some tips and tricks from other people. And you could also grow your audience basically following accounts, invites friends on WhatsApp and me, and a lot of other stuff to grow your audience. And you could also share your content to view insights. So basically to do this, you could just post a reel or any photo that you'd like and then boom. So basically you need to complete your profile first and then click over here on Edit Profile. And actually you could now add some contact options over here and over here on the Add to Action button. Once you click on Add to Action, you can actually click over here and add an action. Basically, since you are something that sells and wants the people to click on the shop button, you could choose from a lot of different partners over here to display your shop. And basically these partners over here will display a button on your profile over here, which is also called the shop button. So basically just agree on the terms of your partners. And basically, once you have done that, the shop button will appear on your profile very easily. Okay, guys, thank you for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. And again, this has been held to web.